So they don't show you this on HGTV. Um, my partner went to go get some stuff to change the locks. But my seller, who we purchased the home from, he had a couple things left in the house. He had some fabric that he wanted to get because his mother had purchased it. So yeah. So me, being the good investor that I am, I'm gonna pick up this stuff for him. I'm gonna bring it to him or meet up with him to give it to him, because it's not real estate is not always about like the dollars and cents they talk about on HGTV, all that kind of good stuff. It's like, we bought this for $4 and we're gonna sell it for $1 million, but it's not always about that. Sometimes it's about stepping on stuff, and also it's about the human aspect, because people forget that there's a person on both ends. There's somebody purchasing the property. There's also somebody selling the property. So it's just about getting everybody what they need when they need it, and getting everybody everything done on time. This, let's see, can you see that? Not that stuff. That's the fabric, I hope, and that's got to get in my car. So now we do that. This is pretty glamorous, I know, but anyway, so this is why my other Facebook Live is probably going to be a little bit late, Nancy. This is your heads up. I'm also gonna text you, but yeah. So stay tuned. More exciting times with real estate. Anyway, all right. Talk to you guys soon. If you know someone that needs to sell a house, or I'm getting a wicked reflection off that. If you know someone that's looking to sell a house, then let me know. If they're not, in a position to clean out the house, or they need time, or whatever timeline they need, happy to work with them. Just let me know, and give me a shout, message me, whatever it takes, smoke signal, and I'll come help them out. Hope you enjoyed this weird installation of Eric Moves fabric for seller, and yeah, I don't know that it'll I don't know that it'll be like a real episode of Friends or anything. I don't know that there's a lot of A and B subplots and stuff, but yeah, it's a good time. All right, let me get this stuff moved before it tries to start raining. Have a great one, guys.